Okay, so I'm here in York, checking out the ArmouredSlate job. This job has been produced by a father and son. They're not roofers. And as you can see, ArmouredSlate is so easy to install and looks absolutely fantastic. We have got the RealRidge, we've got the RealVerge. Also, we've got the roofing Outlaw membrane. This building is in the middle of a very open area. Roofing Outlaw membrane still keeping it dry in the open areas, even with all the bad weather we've had. Not a drop inside. As you can see, the ArmouredSlate looks absolutely fantastic. Lovely and flat, just as a good roof should do. But I'm actually impressed. I'm impressed because father and son spent many hours, many wet days working together, produce a project that is going to last a long, long time. Unfortunately, they're not on site right now, or I'd be shaking their hand, because this is a fantastic job. The traditional way of installing a slate verge, we would cut our slate, we would then nail it to the verge, and then we would slide our next piece of slate over the top of the nails there, and it can get a little bit rattly in the wind. So the RealVerge, it fits over the top of the lat. We nail it to the lat. We then slate over it like normal and repeat the process all the way up the roof. No more rattling around in the wind. As you can see, these are pretty damn solid. No more rattling like false teeth in the wind, annoying your customers at night. It's a proper job, guys. Look at that. The RealRidge, made from slate, backed onto GRP. Absolutely fantastic product. No need for any ridge roll. You would install it onto your ridge, jump and put the next piece onto there. No need for any fancy plastic bits. Drive a screw into the ridge tree from there, and as you can see, guys, RealRidge looks absolutely fantastic. Now, we can make RealRidge to any profile that you want, any profile at all. You can even have your transition from ridge to flat roof. We can produce that for you. Just get in touch with us and we can make that happen for you guys. But as you can see, the RealRidge, an absolute fantastic product, and looks like a traditional slate ridge. But the job made easy by the roofing Outlaw. Get in touch with us if you want any of this. See you later.